Alright everyone, this is an unboxing review of the Meridian Defense AK-101. It comes in a plastic rifle case. It comes with the flag chamber, make sure it's clear. First thing I noticed taking out of the box is it has a nice matte black finish, so good quality matte finish from the looks of it. And everything is very tight and good quality from the feel and looks of it. So the brake is on there, pretty nice. The front sights are nice and centered. Clean rod is not jiggly, nice and tight. The lower handguard is solid, that it's not moving at all, and the gas tube handguard is solid. Front sights are, rear sights are nice and tight. And going back to the folding stock, again, very tight, solid lockup on the stock catch. Locks up very solid. There's no wiggle or play at all. One thing that's cool about the stock is it does have a cutout here for a swing, so you can do like a universal left to right setup if you want. And it does come with a magazine, a lock, and the bolt separate, I think because of California, so we'll install that. Okay, and I'm gonna work the safety, so again, very tight. It's not slop or loosey, but also it's not too tight. I'd say it's just right. And then racking the bolt. It's not catching at all, so very smooth. Sounds good. Yeah, sounds really good. And the trigger is very nice. It feels very much like the ALG trigger. It's a one stage, single stage, so a little bit of slop, a nice break, and the reset. So pretty nice. Probably something that you don't need to upgrade unless you really want a lighter trigger. But again, the form, function, aesthetics are very pleasing, as you would expect. It does come with a AC Unity mag, so fits in no problem. You can hear the audible click. Only other mag we have is the PSA 556 smooth side. Again, fits very well. I'd say the PSA mags are definitely good to go. Feels very good and solid, so have to test that out. And yeah, it's got the standard sling loop on the AK pattern. Sling mount back here in the stock. Standard magazine release. But overall looks really good, and excited to try this out in the range.